dead wrong. See, he explained everything. No.
Get this shit out of here.
I'm just testing. This is Chris Hansen. Is that his name?
Oh, you trying to get us?
This is
You didn't know you was here. What you was here for, huh?
This is Chris Hansen. What's their name? Huh? He said.
I met him online. I didn't know.
Him?
I met him. It was two of them.
Oh, them. I thought you was trying to be proper pronoun.
Come on, now. This bitch playing games.
But fuck all that shit. You can't hear. You said you wanted to lick booty and you wanted to feel her face. That's what you said, right? We have the text messages. See?
You didn't say that.
No, there's nowhere to go, sir. Sir, there's nowhere to go.
I ain't going. I'm trying to run over. I ain't do nothing. I mean, Bennett ain't in it.
We were looking for Bennett, and sir, you are.
Oh, good. This bitch still say pendant. She talking about his soul. You just stay playing games.
Bennett Fellaroon. That's your name, right?
Bennett Paladoni. Damn, get up. Oh, that bitch bucking, bro?
He seen the camera and he's like, nope. You sent the money already?
No.
Hold on for the camera. Say, yeah, I sent him $5,000 already. All right.
That bitch stupid.
You sent the money already?
Hell no.
See, he still ain't gonna do it for the internet.
I ain't gonna lie, man. Thinking about, you know what I'm saying? You gonna give them once they see the behind scenes and they see how they gonna be like, that's fucking lie. Can't take my word.
All right. Cut.
Damn.